So the interior portion of the cage is done. It's all welded. It's all MIG welded.
Why do you want it bolt on?
Because I don't know how to drive.
So what seats are these, man?
These are the PRP Alphas.
Howdy everybody. It's been 2 weeks since we've been here. We got this thing over here and it looks like a truck. The freaking width finally fits the cab of this thing, Daniel.
Tiny now. Look at all that interior space.
It's crazy to know that this thing had a Ranger cab and it's still pretty damn wide, dude. Yeah. So last time we seen you there was nothing, right? Or no, no. There was a
I think the A-pillars were started. So the interior portion of the cage is done. It's all welded. It's all MIG welded. Shock mounts are on it now. That was done today. Craig built these today. Just super simple. Nothing big and bulky like what was there before.
Okay.
So just small and simple. Okay. Will still be functional.
That looks great.
It's got a cage. Daniel likes the miters.
I like the miters.
And there is a bulkhead in there.
What's a miters?
A miters, it's just when you take a tube and cut it and you meet another one up against it. That'd be like a miter cut.
Okay. Yeah, well, most trucks have just the bend, right?
Yeah, they just have like a bend, so it's just like a radius coming out the back. Like my truck has that.
Yeah.
And it just keeps everything tighter. To me, it's just a way cleaner.
I think it's cool. I think it looks pretty aggressive like that, man. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. So we've got all the cage laid out. We've got seats from PRP. They're here now.
So this is all. So was this still the same, Danny? All of this right here? Well, I know you guys. You were talking about the tree stump, right?
Yeah, that's all gone. The tree stump is no longer. So this is all new.
Okay.
This tube, this diagonal tube, this tube, this tube. Literally everything from the floor up between here and here is all new.
Okay.
To fit the cab.
Okay. And then this was all able to tie into the old stuff back here.
Yep. So this is where we made the cut, and everything just laid back down in that spot.
Okay, cool. That's crazy. So you guys have been busy on this thing.
Quite a bit. Yeah. I mean, we got a bunch of sheet metal work to do.
Okay.
We're gonna seal all the floor, seal the rear portion of the firewall off.
Okay.
From here down, everything else will get just panels with Zeus's, like Zeus buttons to hold it in.
Okay.
Because the cab is going to be, I mean, we've been going back and forth on this, but the cab will be bolt on.
Right. And that's something Daniel was telling me.
Yeah, he wants it bolt on so that...
Why do you want it bolt on?
Because I don't know how to drive.
Because of driving history record.
He's got a few tip overs, so it's going to make it easier next time we're in here doing this.
Oh, man. All right. Okay. Dude, you got the seat. Dude, I think we got to like throw one in here, you know, just to see.
Here.
So what seats are these, man?
These are the PRP Alphas.
There you go.
So I'm going to need some blocks
To kind of adjust it.
Get it set, but...
All right. Well, yeah, dude. I mean, there's a lot of room in here from before. Obviously, it looks crazy. I think I'm just so used to it when it was the Ranger. But the other cab was pretty wide too. But this seems actually significantly wider than the last one.
I think 6-7 inches wider than that 2005 cab.
Damn, that's a lot. So the PRP Alphas in this thing, pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
We got the sewn in Terra right there, pretty cool. And did you have the Alphas before?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
All right, and you just chose to continue because that's just what's up?
Yeah, I had the head containment ones before, but I wanted to make a little more space because I don't really race as much as I used to.
Yeah, just go have fun.
So I got rid of the head containments to add a third seat.
Okay. Well, awesome, man. I mean, Danny, what's the next step with this thing? I know you said you're going to be doing a lot of sheet metal work, right? You guys are doing this whole back thing?
Yeah.
You guys going to seal all the cab up right there and then maybe this before?
So basically from the mid-rail down,
Okay.
from here down, we'll all get sheet metal as in like silicon bronzed, sealed.
Okay.
This will get the same thing here. But anything that is going to be laying on or attached to the cab will be a removable panel.
Okay. And then how's this all going to look up here?
Well, he has a new dash.
Oh, okay.
McNeil dash that's going to get put in.
Ooh, you're fancy, dude. That's cool. All right.
You can see the old dash.
That's what's left of the
just because,
other one.
for the sake of saving time and not dealing with
Yeah.
all that,
Mm-hmm.
we just cut the old dash out of the way.
Well, all right.
Metal.
Dude, hey,
So
Whatever works, dude.
he's got a brand new dash, and that will be some work getting that in there.
Yeah. So you're basically just gonna keep that there and then just put that in with the new dash?
No. Once we put the new dash in, this will be gone.
Oh, okay.
We
Okay.
remove the gauges and switches,
Okay.
and all that stuff will get remounted into the new dash.
Okay.
Once the new dash is fit to the truck.
All right. You're killing it, dude. You're making it happen. You know, I think what's cool is, you know, we're going to get to see an A-arm trophy truck style, you know, front end on the OBS F-150. And I'm sure the glass and the window is going to look really great on this thing when the time comes.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, this is a super unique project. There's not very many out there. Definitely under 3, you know, like this. And I'm stoked, man. This is going to be great.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's all Nick's fault.
Thanks a lot, Nick. Anything other than sealing up the cab, and that's it, huh?
That's the bulk of, that will be a very time-consuming portion of it.
Yeah.
Hanging the glass, building the bumper and core support will also
Be a
take some
pain.
time.
Mm-hmm.
But like I said, we're not focusing on that for now.
Okay.
Our focus was to get the cab wrapped up, and then we'll jump to that stuff.
Perfect. All right. Well, right on. All right, guys. Well, thank you guys for checking this out. We will update you guys in, I'm assuming, in a week. Right, Danny?
Or in the desert.
Or in the desert.
Yeah.
We'll see. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much. If you guys like what we're doing, please like and subscribe and share this project, the cab swap. It's going to be really awesome. We can't wait for this thing. This is definitely going to be one of the pride and joys of Terra Crew is this. And this is the first time we've done a series like this. So hopefully you guys like it. If you guys want to see more series like this or any other builds or recommendations, please leave a comment. Thank you guys so much. Later.
You can see yourself.
I can.
I didn't have that last time when you let me use it.